Hello and welcome to how to create an APA header. This is a normal Word document in 2007. You want to double click the top of your paper and all of a sudden your header pops up. I've already selected different first page, as you can see, but in the design area of your header you want to do that first. So click on different first page. Next, you want to go to Insert and Page Number. Click on Page Number, top of page. Go to the third style because we want our number to be over here. The reason why you have to do different first page first is because when you go to insert a page number, it'll clear anything you have in the header. So that's why we do it in that order. Now that we have selected our page number, you can start typing your title. So first of all, in APA format, you type running head, capital R-U-N-N-I-N-G, lowercase h-e-a-d, colon, space, and then our title, which is the, growing popularity of ballroom dance. Now, this should be, your title should be in all caps. How do we put it in all caps now? And it should be all the way over to the left. So before we put it all the way over to the left and manipulate it, let's put it in the right font, the right size, and in all caps. So right now it's in, if you look above here where my cursor is, it's in Calibri 11, and our teacher wants it in Times New Roman, so I'm going to select Times New Roman 12. Now why didn't it change? Because I did not highlight it. So I'm going to highlight and then select it, 12, Times New Roman. Now, next, I'm going to make the growing popularity of ballroom dance all caps by selecting this change case to uppercase. You can also just put cap lock and write it first of all in all caps. Now, we need this to be over centered to the left. So I'm going to highlight it and select left. The reason why I do that is if you start spacing using the space bar, sometimes it gets a little wacky. The number can go on the next line and it's really hard. I'll show you. I've selected characters up here. This button always shows you how many characters you've and spaces you have on your page. So as you can see, my number went to the next line. So I'm going to delete one space. Now this is a perfect title. The problem is APA wants you to have an abbreviated title for the rest of your paper. So I'm going to take ballroom dance as my abbreviated title. What I just did is I highlighted it. I'm going to do Control C for a copy, or you can also right click on it and say copy. Now I double clicked out of that and I'm going to go to my next page. I'm going to double click on the next header and insert page number, top of page, 2. The 2 popped up. Now I can right click and paste, or I can do Control V, either way. What's wrong with this? It's all the way to the right. So we're going to go to Home and select Please Justify it on the left. Now we need to get this 2 in Times New Roman 12, and we need to space it all the way to the right. We can either give it spaces, or we can highlight it, highlight the 2, and put it all the way, whoops, all the way to the right. We're still going to have to add spaces to keep that ballroom dance on the left. Whoopsie, delete a space. Perfect. Now this is the perfect header. Running Head, the growing popularity of ballroom dance, page number 1. Page number 2, ballroom dance, number 2. Now if we go to page number 3, let's carry it all the way down. There it is. Ballroom dance, page number 3 in, oopsie, let's see if it's Times New Roman. Times New Roman, Times New Roman. Perfect. And that is how you do the Running Head APA format. Thank you.